10th problem. The rainfall recorded in various places of 5 districts in a week given below. Rainfall is how much they have given? 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Number of places 5, 13, 4, 9, 5, 4. So find its standard deviation. The rainfall recorded in various places of 5 districts in a week given below. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rainfall areas they have given. Number of places they have given 45 meter 5, 50 millimeter 13, 55 millimeter 4, 60 millimeter 9, 65 millimeter 5, 70 millimeter 4. So now what we are going to do is we need to find the standard deviation. So for finding the standard deviation, rainfall xi, number of places fi, dA equal to xi minus a. Xi minus a is assumed mean. Xi means the rainfall which the value they have given. Di square. Fi di. Fi di square. 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Now, for 45, how many number of places? 5. For 50, 13. For 55, 4. For 60, 9. For 65, 5. For 70, 4. So now xi minus totally how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6. 6 by 2, half is more than half only we need to write. 3 plus 1, 6 by 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4th item we need to mention it. 4th item is what? 60. So assumed mean is 60. So now xi minus 60. Xi is this one. 45 minus 60 is minus 15. 50 minus 60 is minus 10. 55 minus 60 is minus 5. 60 minus 60 is 0. 65 minus 60, 5. 70 minus 60, 10. So now sigma fi equal to how much? 5 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 22 plus 9, 31. 31 plus 5, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. Now di square minus 15 whole square is 225. Minus 10 square 100. Minus 5 square is 25. 0 square 0. 5 square 25. 10 square is 100. Now fi di. Fi di means this column and this column we need to multiply it and we need to mention it here. 5 into minus 15 is how much? Minus 75. 13 into minus 10 is plus into minus minus. 13 into 10, 130. 4 into minus 5 is minus 20. 9 into 0, 0. 5 into 5, 25. 4 into 10, 40. Now 5 into d square, fi into d square. 5 into 225 is how much? 5 5s are 25. Balance 5 into 2, 25. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Balance 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1 1 2 5. 13 into 100. How much? 13 into 100 is 1300. 4 into 25. Carefully you need to do this calculation. Fi di square. So Fi is 4. Di square is 25. 4 into 25, 100. 9 into 0, 0. 5 into 25 is how much? 125. 4 into 100 is what? 400. So now we need to add this sigma Fi di. 40 plus 25, 65. 65 minus 20, 45. Minus 130 minus 75 is how much? Minus 205. This is plus 45. So now this one is how much it will come? 160. 5 minus 5, 0. 4 minus 4, 4 minus 0. Sorry, 1 second. Minus 75 minus 130 is minus 205. Minus 20 is minus 20. So minus 225. 40 plus 25 is 65. So how much it will come? 5 minus 5? 0. This is 6. This is 1. Highest power is minus. So minus. So minus 160. Minus 160. Now next one is 400 plus 100, 500. 500 plus 1300, 1800. 1800, 1125, 125. So 50. 8 plus 1 plus 1, 10. Balance 1, 3. So 3050. Now as we need to find its standard deviation. So for standard deviation, what we are going to do? Standard deviation sigma Fi di square by sigma Fi minus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi whole square. Sigma Fi di square is how much? 3050. Sigma Fi is how much? 40. Minus sigma Fi di is how much? Minus 160. By sigma Fi is how much? 40. 0, 0 cancelled. Here 0, 0 cancelled. Here whole square. The same square we need to mention it. 305 by 4 minus. See 16 square is minus 16 whole square is how much? 256. By 4 square is 16. Now while we are taking the LCM 4 and 16, how much it will come? 4. 1 4 is 4, 4 4s are 16. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4 is 16. So 16 divided by 4 is how much? 4. Or else we can do that. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 into 305. How much? 5 4s are 20. Balance 2. 0 4s are 0. 0 into 2. 4 3s are 12. 1220 minus 16 divided by 16, 1. So 1 into 256, 256. Now 1220 is there minus 256. 10. 10 minus 6, 4. Here 12. 12, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Then next, here how much it will come? 9. So 964 by 16. 964 by 16. So we need to divide with 964 divided by 16. How much it will come? 964 divided by 16. 6 6 are 96. 0 4. We can't able to divide. So decimal point 0. 2 16s are 32. 40 minus 32 is 8. 0. 5 6 are 18. So now 60.6 into, now what the value will be coming on? 60.25. 0 it will be coming. So 60.25. Now when we are taking the square root of 60.25, how much the value will be coming on? 2 2s are 4. Because 3 3s are 9, it won't come. So 4. 6 minus 4 is 2 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. Now 25. Now next one is, how much it will come? 2 2s are 4. So now, or else we can do with a different technique. 60.25, while we are taking square root, 7 7s are 49. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 7 plus 7, 14. Here decimal point. Here the decimal point we are keeping. So now what it will come? 7 or 6. 7 if you put 7. 7 into 7, 49. Balance 4. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 4, 32. Balance 3. 7 1s are 7, so 10. Remaining, how much it will come? 190, 96 I guess. This one 15. 15 minus 9? 6. 12, 11. 11 minus 2? 9. So, now if you are putting 0, 0, then how much it will come? So 7 plus 1 from 154. So next one is, how much if we put, we can solve it 76. So 7.76 is the answer. This is what about the standard deviation value.